Hello, my name is Kumbesan Chandrasekharan, and in this presentation I am going to give you a brief outlook of my research work. So what do we mean by real-time information networks? Well, we're talking about systems that combine communication networks, which could either be wireless or sensors, a whole bunch of sensors that are used to sense the environment, hardware computing hardware, and lastly some form of software algorithms that control all of these different parts of a real-time information network. Actually, I'm going to give you a brief outlook about our capabilities for industry. Carried out research and development of innovative real-time solutions for industry problems, and I'm going to discuss some of them shortly. We have the capability to do in-house rapid prototyping of solutions, and then once the solutions are tested in the laboratory, we are able to install it in the field, and then we're able to monitor and do performance testing of the solutions in the field. In some projects we involve multidisciplinary teams and lastly we also have the capability to create patents to protect the IP that we have. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of the projects that we have developed. So these are prototypes we have built. So the first project that I want to talk to you about is a project for City of Sydney, who are interested in pedestrian counting, and after initial research we found out that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are potential technologies for pedestrian counting, and we developed a prototype for them in our laboratory, and we installed it on George Street and we tested the performance. Another project that we are working with is with a company called EcoSeal Pty, who are into groundwater management in New South Wales, and with them we developed a groundwater law for pH and salinity that could go 50 meters below water level to measure various parameters associated with groundwater. A third project that we've worked with is with a company called Inex Test Lab, and they were interested in broadband performance testing. So here's a very brief summary of some of the research work that we have done. Thank you for listening to this presentation.